Starting around 13 July 2023, Star Atlas DAO by and large is exchanging at 12 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.88% in especially most recent 60 minutes, which is very critical. Polis generally has an extremely complete market cap of $18,579,539, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $219,285. This by and large makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis, beautiful positioning at 603 in the digital currency market amazingly. On the off chance that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2023. What will Star Atlas DAO sort of be especially worth in 2023? Which fundamentally is very critical. Is Star Atlas DAO a by and large wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023? Which in every way that really matters is very huge. Will Polis cost generally outperform its unequaled high in a kind of significant manner? These sort of are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polis's future, or so they especially thought. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation 2023. As per the Star Atlas DAO conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Polis cost especially is supposed to sort of cross a very normal value level of 16 cents. The normal for the most part least value worth of Star Atlas DAO, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to sort of be 15 cents. Exhibiting that in the event that you certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Star Atlas DAO cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Star Atlas DAO fundamentally be exceptionally worth in 2023 in a by and large enormous manner? Besides, Polis can especially arrive at a most extreme value level of 17 cents, in a kind of huge manner. Star Atlas DAO value gauge July 2023. The very normal cost of Star Atlas DAO, Polis, could go to 14 cents, toward the finish of July 2023. Which for the most part is very critical. Polis could generally be exchanging around a genuinely most extreme worth of 14 cents, with the really least expected cost of 13 cents in a by and large huge manner. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation August 2023, concerning August 2023. Star Atlas DAO cost generally is estimate to in a real sense, arrive at a practically the least cost of 13 cents, exhibiting that Polis all things considered has an exceptionally complete market cap of $18,579,539, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $219,285, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The Polis cost could explicitly arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of 15 cents, with the essentially normal expected cost around 14 cents, which especially is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation September 2023, concerning September 2023. Star Atlas DAO cost for the most part is estimate to essentially arrive at an actually the least cost of 14 cents, kind of additional appearance. How the Polis cost could arrive at a kind of greatest cost of 15 cents, with the truly normal expected cost around 14 cents, in a kind of enormous manner. The Polis cost could really arrive at a truly greatest cost of 15 cents, with the for the most part normal expected cost around 15 cents, which basically is very critical. Star Atlas DAO value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO especially is supposed to really be at around a by and large least of 14 cents, which basically is very huge. Star Atlas DAO cost can in a real sense arrive at a genuinely limit of 16 cents, with the in every practical sense normal cost of 15 cents in United States dollars in a very enormous way. Star Atlas DAO value expectation November 2023. The cost of Star Atlas DAO truly anticipated to especially reach at least worth of 15 cents in November 2023, in a for the most part significant manner. The Polis cost could for the most part arrive at an extremely greatest worth of 17 cents, with the really normal exchanging worth of 15 cents, all through 2023. Which truly is very huge. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation December 2023. The cost for Star Atlas DAO in December 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 15 cents and 17 cents, which in every way that really matters is very huge. While the typical exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around 16 cents, which sort of is genuinely huge. Star Atlas DAO extremely past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto in a real sense has been generally diminished by 1% in its exceptionally current worth, which basically is genuinely huge. Assuming we explicitly analyze the very current market cap of the Polis with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down, which truly is genuinely huge. Star Atlas DAO generally is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with really other crypto coins in an unpretentious manner. The Polis generally is down to nearly 12.68% in the by and large most recent 7 days, showing how on the off chance that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the Star Atlas DAO cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Star Atlas DAO really be by and large worth in 2023? Or so they explicitly thought. The coin basically is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for past in every practical sense, scarcely any days. The coin could generally have areas of strength for essentially at the same time. We don't in a real sense imagine that it would a productive resource in every practical sense, present moment. Genuinely further appearance how the Polis truly is down to nearly 12.68% in every practical sense, most recent 7 days, showing how on the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2023. What will Star Atlas DAO explicitly be truly worth in 2023? Truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Polis truly diminished by 52.004%, killing an astounding certainly normal amount of 13 cents from its by and large current worth, showing that Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation August 2023, concerning August 2023. Star Atlas DAO cost especially is gauged to arrive at and in every practical sense, least cost of 13 cents, exhibiting that Polis generally has an especially all-out market cap of $18,579,539, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $219,285 in an essentially significant manner. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be a great buy and large purchase and open door for certainly speedy speculation, which generally is very critical. Star Atlas DAO value gauge 2023 facts. What will generally be Star Atlas DAO pretty worth in 2023? Or so they sort of thought. The Polis cost in a real sense is estimated to especially arrive at a sort of greatest degree of 17 cents, with sort of least cost of 15 cents. Toward the finish of 2023, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking, Star's Atlas DAO sort of have a future in an extremely large manner. As far as value, Star Atlas DAO sort of has an extraordinary sort of potential to arrive at new levels, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking in a real sense. It by and large is figure that Polis will increment in esteem, especially further appearance,